Understanding Study Break, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that can be both useful and interesting for learners: study break. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase confidently. A study break is a pause or a short rest period taken during study sessions. It's a time when you stop studying for a brief period to relax, refresh your mind, or engage in a different activity. These breaks are essential for maintaining concentration and preventing burnout. The phrase combines two words: study, which means to learn or revise, and break, meaning a pause or rest. Taking study breaks is vital for effective learning. Research shows that our brains can only focus for a limited time before needing rest. During a study break, you might grab a snack, take a short walk, or just relax. This helps in reducing stress, improving memory retention, and keeping you motivated. 1. I'm taking a study break to clear my head. 2. Let's meet up during our study break. 3. After a 45-minute study session, I usually take a 15-minute study break. In many English-speaking countries, study breaks are a standard part of the academic culture, especially during intense study periods like exam preparation. It's common to hear students discussing their plans for study breaks or suggesting group activities during these times. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase study break effectively. Remember, taking regular breaks is not only beneficial for your studies but also for your overall well-being. Keep learning, and don't forget to take those well-deserved breaks.